Check out this over 175,000 square foot project where we applied our two-coat warehouse flooring system. This massive warehousing and manufacturing facility was in desperate need of a fresh floor coating to help reduce dust and increased ease of maintenance. We began by diamond grinding the entire substrate and edging all wall-to-floor joints to establish a mechanical profile and remove any surface contamination. We also patched all cracks and imperfections that were a 1/4 inch in depth or greater, using a quick cure epoxy patching material to fill any wide cracks and level any deep depressions. Next, we vacuumed the entire space and followed that up with a solvent wipe to remove any remaining dust particles. The next step was to apply a coat of Propoxy, the system primer. This is a 100% solids industrial grade epoxy coating. The 100% solids epoxies typically dry in hours instead of days, which allowed our client to get their operation back online fast. A 40-60 mesh silica was added on all ramped areas to increase anti-slip texture. The final step was to apply the system top coat, which is called Prothane. It's an aliphatic urethane, which is resistant to scratching, marring, and UV degradation, all while maintaining a very nice sheen. If you need any warehouse floor coatings, any type of epoxy or resinous flooring, visit us at highperformancesystems.com. Give us a call at 1-800-928-7220.